Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem.com. Sometimes it's those little things that make a big difference, isn't it? This week, Google released the ability to use the trusty old Control-C for copying, Control-X for cutting, and Control-V for pasting keyboard shortcuts in Google Drive. You will be able to manage and organize your files so much more easily. For Macs, of course, you use the Command key instead of the Control key for these shortcuts. Let's see how they work in Google Drive. Okay, let's assume for a moment that you have these folders in your Google Drive. And let's say that you want to move some of your prospects into the client status. All you have to do is select the files that you want to move and then Control X to cut them and then move them into the clients folder by hitting Control V, and voila, when you go back to prospects you have already moved the files. Now what happens if you get a new prospect and you want to create a new file from your template? All you need to do is make a copy. Control C, Control V. And there is my copy. I can rename it to anything that makes sense for me. Now, one caveat is that you cannot copy folders. You can move them with the Control X, Control V, but you cannot make copies of them. So if I wanted to, for example, reference this demo folder inside one of the other folders, I would have to create a shortcut. So Control C, and then when I hit Control V, it tells me that folders cannot be copied. So what I'm going to do instead is Control Shift V, and that will create a shortcut. If I want to reference, for example, a file, all I need to do is Control C and go into a document where I want to reference it and simply Control V, copy it, and it will create a link and also a mini view into the file. For even more keyboard shortcuts in Google Drive, check the description below this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time.